Well, how are we all doing today? I figured I'm going to do a little intro to video. It is the first Saturday of 2026. I've got those prepped up. I'm going to put a sealer primer on them. Got a frame thing painted black. I've got another little project I'm working over here. I'm actually making a video about where that's going and what that's going in. But this is my messy garage. Got a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of picking up to do. And I just wanted to let the people out there, or people that watch this video, know I don't do this for any main purpose. This is my little hobby. I come out here on the weekends. I make little videos from time to time of stuff that I'm doing. I make absolutely no money on anything. I'm not monetized on any of this. I don't have enough subscribers and enough people to even care about. I do this for my loving family that watch this. Hi guys, love y'all. And get to share the little projects that I do in my hobby space that I have going on. But the few of you that actually watch this video, I ran into some stuff and used some things that I want to show you. And I made a little video about it. I'm blown away by it. This stuff here, you can go to Harbor Freight and pick yourself up some. I've got stuff stoking right there. Here's my video about it. Just wanted to let everybody know. Have a great Saturday. Starting the video off kind of backwards, but check that stuff out if you get a chance. These hinges are rusty to the point where I can't get them to move. I can't get them to bend, and there's surface rust everywhere on them. So I want to see, does this stuff work? So we're going to throw them in here. Dump that in, and we wait. It's been over 12 hours, and dumped the whole thing in here. I did shake it last night before I went to bed. Wow, I gotta say, that's pretty impressive. Now they're still bound up, so I think I'm gonna put them in the vise and bend them to try to see what I can get here and see if I can get that freed up. But the paint's not flaky or soft, like it didn't eat the paint. All it did was kill the rust. That is really, oh wow, that one works really nice. And the spring is free. Look at that. Crazy. Okay, that one's working good, except for this isn't moving. That needs to be freed up, but I can maybe put that on the vise and beat it around. This one's still stiff, so it's not getting inside yet, but I think most will soak it more. Look at that nastiness inside. I had, oh wow, these were the engine, the body mounts. These were just a big pile of rust. So I'm going to have to say that this stuff works amazing. So even the spring mechanism, that was the part that was really bound up, and these springs were just in the wide open position, and these weren't even moving. This hinge piece in here was just locked tight. And now I can actually, now it's actually working to hold the door. So back and forth, the hinge spins free. These were bound up tight. Got to realize the weight of the door. That's working well. That's working well. That stuff really got inside. Now that I work back and forth, you can see the rust coming out from inside the hinge. I've done this to all the hinges now. Just look how nice that spins. This one, nice and free. So I'm just going to put them back in, let them soak down in that position. Look at that. All right. I am thoroughly amazed at what those are doing. So, EVAPO RUST stuff, apparently I can take it out of that, run it through a strainer, and put it right back in that bucket. I'm going to be buying more of that.